Today I'm going to show you how to use basic Excel formulas and functions. Any formula in Excel begins with an equal sign in a cell. So let's start with addition. I already have equal sign over here, so I'm going to click on one of the cells and then add plus sign and then click on another cell and press enter. So this is our addition. For subtraction, I'm going to enter equal sign, click on the cell, and then minus another cell. For multiplication, I'm going to start with equal sign, click on the cell, and then enter asterisk sign, and then click on another cell and enter. For division, I'm going to start with equal sign, click on the numerator, forward slash, and click on denominator. Here's our addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also, we can use functions such as sum. So I'm going to start with equal sign, enter sum, open braces, and then Excel is automatically hinting you what to put after the braces. Here you can either enter the numbers or click and drag all the way down to the cell you want to add, and then close braces and enter. And here's your sum. And for mean or average, you can start with equal sign, type in average, and then open braces, select the cells and enter. That's your average. For median, equal sign, type in median, open braces, select the cells, close braces, and that's your median. You can also count the cells. To count, enter equals count, select the cells and close braces. Here you see that it doesn't, I selected all of these cells, 8 cells, A3 to B6. However, it only gave me a 3 because it's only counting the numbers, not the alphabetical values. In order to count the alphabetical values, you can use count A, and then select everything again. Here it's going to give you 8. Also, you can use Countif the range, let's say the range is this, and Countif if it's January. No, first the range and then comma, and then the criteria is January, and then I'm going to enter. So count is 1. You can also do sum if. For sum if, I'm going to create another table, Jan, Feb, March, then Jan again. So let's do 100, 1001, 9001, 200, 190. For sum if, I'm going to start with the equal sign, sum if. It's asking me to select the range, and then after range is asking me for criteria. Let's say the criteria is January, and then I'm going to select the sum range, just the bottom 4 cells, and then I'm going to enter it. So my sum is 1001 plus 190, which is 1191. So basically it's adding the numbers under January. Also, since we have if, let's do if statement. Let me go ahead and delete these. Let's say company XYZ. Let's start with equals. If open braces, logical test is if I'm going to click on this cell. If this cell equals XYZ, you always have to put in the inverted commas for the variables. So if cell E7 equals XYZ, I'm gonna type in 1, and if it's false, I'm gonna type in 2. So since this is XYZ, it's giving me 1. If it was only X, it's gonna give me 2. Or you can also change the results to, instead of 1 and 2, you can change it to, let's say, correct, and then if it's false, then I'm gonna change it to error. So you can, this is XYZ, that's why it's correct. If it was just X, then you're gonna get an error. So that's your if function. Oh, since I deleted this, Sumif is 0 now. So we covered Sumif and if. Let's see if I'm missing anything else. So this is basically the ones that I use mostly in my current job. So I hope what I've shared with you helps. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.